think the hurricane, what is it? Idalia? Some strange name. Definitely some rough ocean right now. I'm gonna walk on down. Check it out. Nobody's hanging out on the beach today. Oh, maybe one guy way down there. I was gonna go bottle hunting at a dump, but the hurricane's coming through. Even though it's on the other side of Florida, it's super windy over here, and we're just kind of getting like the first little bands of it that are wrapping around the state. I thought it would be a lot worse than what it is. I thought it would be like 50-mile-an-hour winds, but it really isn't. It's not that bad. The Flagler Beach Pier is right in front of me there. But yeah, I just wanted to get a little bit of this. See how the beach side was. I don't live too far away, so that's always nice. I can go to the beach anytime. It's super close. And usually, when a hurricane or tropical storm's going by, this is where the action's at. Definitely some rough waves today. Every time I turn, I'm about to lose my hat. Not too bad. Kind of looks like it's actually clearing up. But I do believe if I look that way, that would be towards Daytona Beach, and there's like a band that's coming like this direction. It's kind of like that dark cloud, and that's coming this way. But yeah, Flagler Beach and Flagler County been having a lot of problems with erosion on the dunes. So I guess luckily it wasn't a real bad storm, because there's a lot of areas down A1A here that are pretty washed out. So this dune looks nice. Holding up pretty good. Pretty cool, all those purple flowers in there. Those are pretty cool. They grow all over the dunes here at Flagler Beach, along with a lot of other native flowers. why I've always liked Flagler. The flowers are always popping and the sand is golden. Beautiful place here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the very end of the Flagler Beach Pier, it's broken. Oh, and you can see, oh wow, I'm watching, there's boards that are on the pylons right now and they look like they're broken. They're kind of swinging on the bolts that are like holding them still. But they've had like non-stop problems with that pier. I guess I'm gonna take a walk down to the pier. I wasn't planning on going that far, but the rain kind of let up a little bit, so good time to go for a little walk. Getting closer to the pier. See how it's looking. There's a big wave coming through right there. Made it all the way to the pier area. That was like a couple blocks walking on the beach. Morning workout. Looks like there's another guy down here videoing too. The waves are hitting that pier pretty hard. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but yeah, the end of the pier is pretty much gone. Not from this storm. I think it was from last year. I'm not sure. Like I said, they've always had problems with that thing. Always rebuilding here. Oh wow, nice waves. Pretty big ones. Oh. lot of people standing behind me taking pictures. I think I'm walking right through their pictures. But it's all good. I'm the only one on the beach. Oh yeah. Woo, coming up high. Flagler Beach Ocean Rescue. I'm right underneath the pier. Very cool. Wow, the sky's getting a little gray now. So, might actually get some more rain. Walking back south now. The wind is a little more strong this direction. Yeah. Seems like a lot of people are starting to come out now and check out the beach side. I know something like there was supposed to be like a blue moon tonight too, or a super moon or something, which is going to make the waves come up a lot higher. They're already coming up pretty high. Not much beach left. But I've heard stories of people always tell me back in the 70s, or this Flagler Beach used to be really big. Not too much left. Well, I've been walking the beach for a while. I'm gonna go up on A1A on the boardwalk here. 5th South. Looks like a good one. Woo! It's a little workout in the sand. Clouds are moving. Right out here on A1A. Usually this parking is packed. Not today though. Woo! Yeah, it's getting a little windier. ahead, so don't want to put them in the video. Really nice. Right here in Flagler Beach. What's that?
That Pier.
Oh, I know, yeah.
When the fucking start they started? Aren't they doing that this year?
I don't know, they've been doing it every year.
$15 billion?
Oh yeah, non-stop. There's a guy who stopped talked to me about, talked about the pier. Did you say $15 million? I don't know, it's always getting worked on since I was a kid. I remember. Keep my hat on here. Well, just want to walk around Flagler Beach today a little bit, see how windy it was. Not too bad, actually. I've seen a lot worse. It's actually turning into a really nice day, even though it's overcast. Still really nice. Well, thanks for joining me. Here, the hurricane, Idalia, whatever the name is coming through on the west coast right now. I think it just touched Florida, probably just like half hour ago. Not too bad here on the east coast of Florida. Just a little windy, a little drizzle. It's nice. But see you guys next time.